make a mango barbecue chicken sandwich with a cucumber salad using two of my products, my DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce and DivineKuizine Mango Barbecue sauce. So let's get started. Okay, y'all, so I went and bought the ciabatta bread, because with this sandwich we're going to use ciabatta bread. I bought this from Publix, and it's basically you bake it at home yourself. So we're going to try it out. It was like $5. We're going to try this out and see how this works. It already comes. All we have to do is heat it up in the oven for like 7 to 9 minutes at 400 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and do that now, and then we're going to get into seasoning our chicken. So we have 2 chicken breasts. They've already been cleaned, and I kind of patted them down a little bit just to make them not as big, you know. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to season salt. We have a little bit of seasoning salt. You're going to get on your chicken. We have some seasoned pepper. Season both. Get the seasoning on both chicken pieces, chicken breasts. We have some smoked paprika. And we have some mesquite seasoning. Flour and cornstarch mixed together. I'll have the measurements of everything on DivineKuizine.com website with all the rest of our recipes. So I'm just gonna season it. I'm gonna put a little bit of mesquite seasoning, a little bit of seasoning salt, regular salt, a little bit of seasoned pepper, and I'm going to whisk all that together. We're gonna whisk all this together. I love chicken sandwiches. They're easy, they're yummy, they're versatile. And then you're just gonna take your flour. I'm not gonna do any egg or butter or milk or anything like that. It'll still come out nice and crispy, because that cornstarch gives it a nice crisp. And then you just dust off. You know, you make sure you get it all coated. But any excess, we're gonna dust it off, and we're gonna put it over here and let it sit for a while we go ahead and make our cucumber salad. Okay guys, so now we're getting ready to make the cucumber salad. We've already set our chicken aside. So we're gonna be using the DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce for our cucumber salad. This is another way that you can use DivineKuizine's product. To get this product, you can go to my store, DivineKuizine.com. I'm also on Amazon. If you're in the if you're here in Atlanta, I'm at the Buford's Farmers Market, or you can get it on the TikTok shop. So there's various ways that you can buy this, but you can put this on anything. Dried, so we're just gonna cut them thinly sliced. Our cucumbers, we have some red onions that are thinly sliced red onions, and we have some green onions or chives. So, and I had already cut those up as well. So we're gonna put a little salt. You always need to salt your food. You don't have to put a lot, but salt. I have this organic balsamic fig dressing, which is really good. So this is like a fig balsamic dressing. So any type of balsamic dressing, but I really do like this one. Maybe not this much. Now we're gonna take our remoulade sauce. And we're gonna put our top on. I'm gonna shake everything together like so. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this to the side. And we're gonna go back and fry our chicken, and then we're gonna put our sandwich together. So see how easy it is? Fry our chicken breast. Hey y'all, so we just finished frying up our chicken breast. So now we're gonna go ahead and put our sauce, the DivineKuizine Mango Barbecue sauce on the chicken. So I heated it up. So I heated up some of the sauce to go on. the chicken breast. And then we have some lemon pepper. So you're gonna lemon pepper it on top. So we got our bread out of the oven. It was nice and warm. So now I'm gonna cut it for us to put on our sandwiches. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top of it. And then I'm just gonna put it in the pan and just kind of let it crisp up. Okay, y'all, so I got the bread nice and golden and crisp because I wanted a little more crustier. And now we're gonna dress it with the DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the bread, like so. I'm telling you, it's gonna be like your mayonnaise, you know what I'm saying, or whatever you have. Here we go. It's been getting on it. It's been sitting top on. Pack it down. Okay, y'all, I'm super excited, super excited on this chicken sandwich that I did with the DivineKuizine Mango Barbecue sauce, and then the cucumber salad, I used the DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce, and then I dressed it with the DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce as well. So let's go in and taste. It's delicious. But my mouth ain't big enough. So let me cut it a little bit. Let me get one more bite, y'all, okay? Fabulous. This is good. It's got that spice, it's got that sweetness from the mango barbecue sauce. You know, a little twang from that lemon pepper. It's perfectly crisp with that cornstarch and flour mixed together. It works every time. It gives you that nice crisp. The refreshing part from those cucumbers, I love cucumbers. The cucumbers and the onions and the balsamic, that fig, organic fig balsamic dressing. The DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce mixed together with that. It's acidity, it's spicy, it's salty, not salty, but you know, you got that right flavor. It's crunchy, you got this crusty bread. Perfect sandwich. You have to, I'm telling you, no cap, y'all have to make this sandwich. It's delicious. And to get my products, there's two ways I just showed you how to use both of my products. DivineKuizine Mango Barbecue sauce, which is a little more sweeter, spicier. It's kind of got sweet, spice all mixed together with the fresh mangoes we put in here. And we also do fresh Scotch bonnet, so fresh ingredients. And then you have the Remoulade sauce, which is better than mayo or any other type of dressing that you use. Where it's sweet, it's spicy, it just goes with everything. You know, your fish, your sandwich as we made today, your cucumber salad, a must get. To get these recipes and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. If you're on YouTube, I love y'all YouTube fan. Go ahead, hit that notification button. Let me know what else you want to see. And also you can get this on Amazon, DivineKuizine.com. The recipe, DivineKuizine.com. But to purchase the products, you can get them on Amazon, DivineKuizine.com if you're in Atlanta at the Atlanta Farmers Market, or on TikTok Shop. Love y'all, Chef Shay.